second knee. 1, 2. Look out. Hook, uppercut, duck, duck, hook, uppercut, duck, duck, hook, uppercut, duck, done. Right there, good. Now as you can see, Christy here, right high, low left, right high, low left. I am loving how straight her back is. I am loving the speed and pace. She is going for it. Now Emily over here real quick. Not so low, medium speed. 3, 2, 1. Modifiers don't always have to go the same speed. On the floor, cross punches, medium speed, medium speed. High speed. Good. Nice. Emily's decreasing her range of motion, but still going at a pretty good clip. Everybody stand. Be careful as you come up. Be smart. Come on, everybody stand. Cross punches. Here, 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 here. Cross punches on the floor. Smiling.